The next selection tool is inverse selection. Inverse selection allows you to work with whole objects or certain parts of geometry. To get started, let's create some objects and add them to the scene. Highlight one object in the scene, and then inverse selection becomes available. Clicking on the icon will change the selection from one object to another in the scene. Removing the selection from the previous one. Inverse selection also works with object geometry. In one of the control panel selection modes, select the object and select the polygon selection mode. Select the polygon and apply inverse selection.